We are back on the road after a few months of downtime in Wisconsin. We're back on the road. We just left Wisconsin a couple days ago, made our way down to St. Louis. So we're happy to actually be back on the road again. Happy to be out of the snow and the winter weather, you know, to places where there's lots of sun and lots of just warmth. Welcome to Snowmageddon. Snowmageddon in St. Louis. I would say, well, we got at least a foot of snow last night. Probably one of the biggest snowstorms that St. Louis has ever had. Yeah, this isn't exactly what I had in mind when I booked south for our first booking out of Wisconsin. I thought, you know, finally leaving the snow, getting to some more warmer weather. Won't have to deal with snow in the trailer. As you can see, the van is completely covered. We'll have to get the tape measure out here and measure this stuff a little later on. Let's see. And of course, we did not bring any of our snow equipment and our snow gear, snow pants, boots, things like that. Left them all in storage in Wisconsin. And to top it all off, yesterday, when I was pulling in, I hit a curb backing up into this spot and I blew a tire. So I got to fix that in the snow, and also notice that I blew a bearing as well.
We left Wisconsin a day early so we could beat this snowstorm, and we almost made it. In about the last 20 minutes of the drive there was snow, but then in the parking lot we had a little incident with a tire. So we are very grateful and blessed that this happened in the parking lot, and we just had to back into our parking spot, and that was it, and not out somewhere that would have delayed us, or, you know, this is supposed to be a huge snowstorm, so we'll let you know what actually happens. And Steve gets to change a tire in it. You can actually hear it deflating. You hear that? Not sure where it's coming out. So we have a flat tire, blown bearings.
The flat tire was my fault.
You know, you might not have noticed the bearing if you hadn't blown the tire. Well, you probably would have.
The flat tire happened because I hit the curb. Which, you know, I've hit curbs before and it doesn't blow a tire.
I know, that was kind of weird. And it's all in this beautiful snowstorm.
It's supposed to get a foot.
A foot of snow we're supposed to get tonight, which is why we're here a day early.
St. Louis.
Is there?
Today is the day we would have been driving down to St. Louis from someplace in Illinois. But I thought, well, I don't want to drive in this stuff. So anyway, we left a day early. We actually got here right when it started snowing, pulled in here, set up, and within about an hour of setting up, we already had about an inch or two of snow on the ground. So we did not have to drive through the snow. We knew it was coming, and so we prepared for it. So that was the blessing, you know. The other things, those are just things that happen on the road. So whatever, we'll just kind of laugh that off, take care of it. But in the meantime, smells like bacon. Alright, so I think it's done snowing. Now it's starting to sleet. We got about, I'd say, close to a foot. And based on the news reports, apparently this is one of the top 5 snowstorms to ever hit the St. Louis area. It's also about 12 inches of very wet snow. And now that it's actually, well, it was sleeting, now it's actually kind of raining. I'm thinking that I need to take off the snow from the trailer because it's adding a lot of weight. Not only is it pretty compact, dense snow to begin with, but with the rain coming down, it's just going to kind of build up. The moisture just going to build up there, and so I decided to go ahead and take it off as much of the trailer as possible. And I've already cleaned off the back here, and I'm in the process of clearing off the top. And fortunately I have my portable extended ladder, and I also have this brush that I use for washing the trailer that's got a telescoping handle on it, and that's actually working fairly well to get the snow off. So anyway, that's what I'm doing now. Hopefully it'll save our roof from caving in. Because we already have enough problems with axles there. So this is the top of the trailer. I've got half of the snow removed.
Oh, it's getting slippery. Fine shoveling job I'm doing. All right, let's find these children. You are not one of my children, are you? You're ignoring me. Follow the footsteps.
Hello, Mother dear.
Hello, childrens.
I have something for you.
Oh, no, you don't. Camera! Camera!
Actually, I would rather throw it at Emily anyway. Yeah, this is Emily. As you can see, we got some things stored up front.
Evil Emily! Socket tour!
I've worked on this very long time.
Are you having fun? What's your favorite part?
Throwing snowballs at Emily.
Throwing snowballs at Emily. Make it happen.
And I've got one right here.
Em, what are you wearing? You're wearing your Scooby-Doo pajamas? Silly guy. Emily Rose, how does it feel to be a living target? Cold?
Come here, you little chicken.
She says as she runs away.